Good morning, scholars and families. Happy Monday. Today is our last week of school, so I want you to keep up your endurance and your responsibility because you have shown so much of both of those core values during our time of online learning. Let's get started. Today we're looking at Module 6, Lesson 23. You don't have the packet. This is what it looks like. We're reading on 2-1-2. Skylar has 8 more green crayons than yellow crayons. Skylar has 23 green crayons. How many yellow crayons does Skylar have? Pause and solve on your own. Hopefully you've solved your problems similar to mine. Let's look at what I have together. So the problem tells us Skylar has 8 more green than yellow, and we know that Skylar has 23 green. So the first thing I did was I set up a green tape diagram to show 23. Then I knew that yellow was the smaller number of crayons, so I set up a smaller tape diagram to show the yellow. I know that Skylar has 23 total green crayons, so I wrote 23 up top, and I know that she has 8 more green than yellow. So the amount of yellow that she has is the same amount as this much green, but then she has 8 more green. So to find this missing part that would go here, that would also be the same number that goes here, I can write a subtraction number sentence that says 23 minus 8 equals blank, or 8 plus blank equals 23. I think it'll be faster and a little easier to grab 23 and count down 8 times. Let's do it together. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. That means that 23 minus 8 is 15. And if we grab 8 and count up to 23, it will take us 15 times. So that tells me that Skylar has 15 plus 8 more green crayons, but she also has 15 yellow crayons. And it checks out that 8 more than 15 is 23. So then we can go down to our answer statement, and our answer statement will say Skylar has 15 yellow crayons. Let's keep going. Today we're going to be working with coins and adding coins together. So this could be really helpful if you're in the store and you're trying to make change for maybe the snack that you're buying or the new toy that you're buying. You need to add together some coins so that you can make the exact change that the cash register needs. So let's look at this first one together. What you're going to do is look at each coin and add each group of coins together by their type. So I see 1 quarter. 1 quarter is equal to, that's right, 1 quarter is equal to 25 cents. So I'll write 25. And I see 1 penny. 1 penny is equal to 1 cent. 25 plus 1 more is, that's right, 26 cents. Let's go to the next one. I see 1 dime, so 1 dime is equal to 10 cents. So I would write 10. And then how many pennies do we see? Let's count them. I see 1, 2, 3 pennies. 3 pennies is equal to 3 cents. 10 plus 3 is 13. So you can draw these pictures with these number sentences on your paper like this. I'm just showing you what it looks like if you're drawing it on your paper. I would draw something like this. I would draw 25 and then a penny to show that one. And for this one, I would draw a dime and then 3 pennies. So if you don't have the packet and you need to put the drawing on your page, I would do it like how I've done it over here on this side so that you can still see the drawing and the coins that we're using. Yours are just going to look like this instead of like how they look on my page, and that's okay. Let's go to the next one. This next one, I see 1/4. 1/4 is equal to 25. So I'll write 25 here. Then let's see, how many pennies do we see? I see 1, 2, 3 pennies. 3 pennies is equal to 3 cents. 25 plus 3 is equal to 25, 26, 27, 28. Good. Now that we've done those 3 together, I want you to draw and try each of these on your own. Pause and draw these pictures and add them together using a number sentence on your own. Let's look at these together. Hopefully you solved and got all the right answers. So for this first one, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. Since pennies, these 6 pennies are all the same type of coin, which is a penny, I'm just going to add all 6 of these plus 0 other coins is equal to 6. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got 6 cents for the first one. Next one, I see 1 nickel right here. And let's see how many pennies we see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So 1 nickel, 4 pennies. 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents plus 4 pennies. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So I wrote 4 cents first. Then I see 1 nickel. 1 nickel is equal to 5. So I wrote 5 right here. 4 plus 5 is 9. Nice job. Let's take a look at your independent practice. So for this one, it's a chart and it says 8 cents and there's 1 coin right here. You need to draw the number of pennies that would then make the total 8 cents. Again, for this independent practice page, you can keep it up on your computer and then draw the coins. Like if I was going to draw this coin on my paper, I would draw a circle with a 5 in it because that's a nickel. And you can do that for all of them to make it easier on yourself. And the rest of it, you should be pretty good to go. Remember that you can use drawings like this one. You can have like 5, 10. Remember, we practiced drawing our coins earlier. So make sure you're using these types of drawings when you're working on a separate piece of paper. Good luck, scholars. Awesome job. Do not forget to log on to Zern for 30 minutes today and keep working really hard. Miss you all so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.